Come on, Kira. So we are already on board on the second floor, surrounded with bunch of Russian speaker. I'm the only one probably speak English, but who cares, you know? We just have a good time. Kira. Gonna go on a yacht. Yeah? Swimming on the sea. Right, Kira?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. You gonna swim with Daddy?
No.
Yeah? Wanna swim with Daddy?
Swim with Mama? Yes.
Wanna swim with Daddy?
No.
Mama is SBH. It's Kira and Daddy. We're in the middle of the ocean. Where are we going, Kira? Yeah. Going to Yacht? Yeah. Yeah, Kira? Playing with the rock? Yeah? So we are somewhere of nowhere. What they call Turkish Maldives. So now we're somewhere in the middle of nowhere with the turquoise water in front of me. So yeah, enjoy summer. Peace. Kira, where you going? Tato. Kira enjoying the water? Yeah? Where are we at, Kira?
Turkish Maldives.
Turkish Maldives. Must be
Yay!
nice. Yay! Yay! What is that?
Whoa, so big.
It's a plane? Too deep. Bring this way. It's empty. Yay! Really nice. Vitamin D. After jumping and swimming, this will be our dinner time. Not really dinner. Lunchtime. Mommy. Oh, we have mommy. Some fish?
Yeah.
Kira, you gonna eat some fish? Yeah?
It's like mukbang.
Yeah. Fried fish after swimming. Hello. Some Turkish salad. And bread. We're gonna go to the cave. Look, yeah, we're gonna go to the cave. Oh, we're gonna go inside the cave. Look at that. So yeah, basically we're going to the cave right there, right behind me, just to go down there. Yeah, literally a lot of boats standing behind me trying to get in.
Drink water? Drink water?
Turkish tea after second stop with my peeps. Dobre, 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 dobre. Three generation great grandparents, and then Olena and Kiran. Привет from Turkey. Merhaba.